Are you tired of constant pain in your left upper belly? I know you do. That pain is caused by enlargement of your spleen. Therefore, today we are diving into a topic that's super important for anyone dealing with an enlarged spleen. Yes, welcome to Health Pride, your ultimate channel for correct and accurate health information. Which foods should you eat, and which foods to avoid to keep your spleen healthy? Before we jump right in, please consider subscribing to our channel because it motivates our team to make more videos like this one in the future. So first off, let's talk about what the spleen does. It's a part of your immune system, helping to filter blood and fight off infections. When your spleen is enlarged, often due to infections, liver disease, or immune disorders, it can make you feel tired and even cause discomfort or pain. That's why taking care of your spleen with the right diet is so important. Let's start with the foods you should avoid to prevent putting more stress on your spleen. 1. Processed foods. They are high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and artificial additives that can contribute to an enlarged spleen by promoting chronic inflammation and liver disease. Diets rich in processed meats, sugary snacks, and refined carbohydrates can lead to obesity, metabolic syndrome, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, all of which strain the liver and spleen. The spleen's role in filtering blood and supporting immune function becomes overburdened in these conditions, causing it to enlarge. 2. Sugary foods and drinks, such as sodas, candies, pastries, and sweetened cereals, can negatively affect your spleen by contributing to conditions like obesity, diabetes, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. These excess sugars are stored as fat in the liver, leading to inflammation and liver damage. As the liver becomes strained, the spleen must work harder to filter blood and manage immune responses, which can cause it to enlarge. Chronic high sugar intake that also leads to insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome, further burdening the liver and spleen, exacerbating their enlargement and dysfunction over time. 3. Alcohol. Alcohol can lead to an enlarged spleen primarily through its damaging effects on the liver. Chronic alcohol consumption may cause liver inflammation, fatty liver disease, and eventually cirrhosis, which disrupts normal blood flow in the liver. This blockage increases pressure in the portal vein, a condition called portal hypertension, forcing blood to reroute through the spleen. The increased workload strains the spleen, causing it to swell. Additionally, alcohol weakens the immune system, leading to infections that further stress the spleen. Over time, this combination of liver damage and immune dysfunction leads to splenic enlargement. 4. Fried foods. Fried foods, often high in unhealthy trans fats and refined oils, can contribute to an enlarged spleen by promoting inflammation, liver damage, and metabolic disorders. 3. Regular consumption of fried foods increases fat deposits in the liver, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which stresses both the liver and spleen. As the liver's ability to filter toxins and regulate blood flow is impaired, the spleen compensates by working harder to filter damaged blood cells, causing it to enlarge. Additionally, fried foods contribute to obesity and insulin resistance, further burdening the liver-spleen system and increasing the risk of enlargement. 5. Regular consumption of red meat and high-fat dairy products can contribute to an enlarged spleen by promoting liver dysfunction and metabolic issues. These foods are high in saturated fats which can accumulate in the liver, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and chronic inflammation. As the liver becomes overburdened, it struggles to filter toxins and maintain healthy blood flow. This puts added pressure on the spleen, causing it to swell as it works harder to filter blood and manage immune responses. Additionally, diets high in red meat and saturated fats increase the risk of obesity and insulin resistance, further straining the liver-spleen system. Before we proceed to the foods you must eat to support and attain a healthy spleen, if this video has been of importance to you so far, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also share with us your thoughts about these foods in the comment section below. Now that you know what to avoid, let's look at the foods that are good for an enlarged spleen. These foods are easier to digest and provide nutrients that support spleen function and your immune system. 1. Leafy greens. Fresh leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, support spleen health by providing essential vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. They help detoxify the liver, reduce inflammation, and improve immune function, reducing stress on the spleen. Their high fiber content also promotes healthy digestion, further aiding in spleen health and preventing enlargement. 2. Fruits. Fruits, especially berries, citrus, and apples, are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, which promote spleen health by reducing inflammation and supporting immune function. Their natural sugars, unlike processed sugars, do not burden the liver, helping to maintain a healthy liver-spleen connection and prevent spleen enlargement. 3. Lean proteins. Lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, and legumes, support spleen health by providing essential amino acids without excess fats, which constrain the liver and spleen. They promote healthy tissue repair, enhance immune function, and reduce inflammation, helping to prevent spleen enlargement while maintaining overall metabolic balance and organ health. 4. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as brown rice, oats, and quinoa, boost spleen health by providing fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that support digestion and reduce inflammation. Their complex carbohydrates stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing liver strain and metabolic issues that can stress the spleen. This helps control spleen enlargement and promotes overall organ health. 5. Herbal teas. Green tea supports spleen health and controls spleen enlargement due to its high antioxidant content, particularly catechins, which reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. These compounds promote liver detoxification and enhance immune function, easing the spleen's workload. Green tea also aids digestion, helping maintain overall balance in the liver-spleen system. 6. Water and hydrating fluids. Water and hydrating fluids support spleen health by aiding in detoxification, promoting proper blood circulation, and preventing dehydration, which can strain the spleen and liver. Staying well hydrated ensures optimal immune function and digestion, reducing inflammation and the workload on the spleen, helping to control and prevent spleen enlargement. There you have it. Those are the foods to eat and avoid to keep your spleen healthy. And that's a wrap. By making some simple changes to your diet, you can really help support your spleen and improve your overall health. If your symptoms become severe, please visit a professional healthcare provider for instant intervention. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.